We'll see.
With Katrina Smith.
Welcome and good morning. Thank you so much for joining us on this Saturday. It's April 20th. I'm Katrina Smith. Law enforcement rank and file from across the state and across the country, really, gathering in Rome today to remember one of their own. Traffic alerts are in place along East Dominic Street, Black River Boulevard, Erie Boulevard in Rome right now. Now, what about the forecast? Let's check in with meteorologist Eric Gage.
And so far, it's a dry start. Temperatures in the 40s. We're going to see some sunshine peeking out temporarily. More clouds will move in this afternoon, potential for some spotty rain here and there, but it's not going to be like yesterday where it was a heavy rain and complete washout, which is good news. And let's take a look at the satellite imagery right here, because you can see it's an overcast sky this morning, but we've got a brief window of sunshine moving in mid to late morning today. And zooming in on the radar, well, we've got some elevated moisture taking place right now, and turning our attention out to western New York, where this is the system that will be arriving here shortly. You notice that the rain showers are light and spotty in nature and not completely widespread. Current temperature of 46 degrees at Griffiths and Rome, so it's a pretty mild start to the day today. And again, we warm up into the upper 40s to low 50s this afternoon, dodging a few clouds and some spotty rain. We're tracking what to expect in detail for the weekend in that full forecast straight ahead. Katrina?
Thank you, Eric. We have road closure.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning. Welcome back, everyone. Happy Saturday. We're starting out with, surprisingly, some sunshine out there this morning. Let's take a live look at downtown Utica right now. So those clouds are still exiting out to the east. We're going to see more breaks of sun throughout the day today with some spotty clouds, but again, it's a mild start. Temperature of 46 degrees, winds not too bad, but these winds will start to pick up throughout the daytime today, and so those feels like temperatures will slowly start to decrease as we head into the afternoon and into the evening. A live look at the radar, we are looking at some elevated moisture right here. This right here is actually part of our trivia question coming up in just a few moments, as this rain is not reaching the ground, although it is picked up on the radar. Temperatures peaking up into the upper 40s to low 50s. Wind speeds remaining pretty breezy and windy this afternoon. 15 to 20 mile per hour winds, so you factor in those winds, and it will start to feel a bit cool from the 40s down to the mid to upper 30s as we head to around 5 or 6 p.m. So although we might not need a jacket this early this afternoon, I want to put it on for the early this evening. Again, your weekend forecast, sunshine to start. Some spotty rain showers can develop this afternoon, but again, not a complete washout. These rain showers will be light in nature. Same thing for Sunday. We got some lake effect stubborn clouds here and there, partly sunny skies, and again, it's going to be breezy with those high temperatures struggling to reach the upper 40s to low 50s. And with the springtime coming, with the flowers starting to bloom, our attention turns to freeze risk. And over the next few days, we've got a medium to high risk for temperatures falling below freezing in pretty much all elevations for tonight, tomorrow night. In fact, tomorrow night, the best chance of widespread below freezing temperatures. And finally, by Monday night, still looking at temperatures hovering in the low 30s overnight. Our skycast, again, sunshine turns to a few rounds of clouds. You notice here a few spotty rain showers mixing in the early afternoon, but these will be mixing in again with some more sunshine here and there as well. Not a completely cloudy day. Then clear skies tonight, a sunny start to your day tomorrow, and then a few spotty clouds here and there from lake effect, but we still have a better chance of seeing some more sunshine in the evening by tomorrow. Next 12 hours, highs in the upper 40s, low 50s, a mixture of sunshine and clouds and some spotty rain. By tonight, our temperatures cool back down into the low 30s. Your 7-day forecast. It's breezy. It's a mild early afternoon today, but we're back down in the 30s tonight. Same thing for the next few days. Earth Day, trending cooler but more sunny with temperatures in the upper 40s with, again, more sunshine and clouds increase as we head into Tuesday. And our trivia question. What is a term for when rain falls from a cloud but doesn't reach the ground?
I'm very confident on this one. It's Virga.
And you were right. I can't trick you on this one. It is Virga, and as you saw in the past few minutes on the radar, we saw some Virga taking place right now.
Right.
Rain, it dries up and reaches the dry air near the surface.
So it just never hits the ground.
Does it hit the
Because I
ground?
used to always tell Jill, there's rain on the Doppler radar, and she's like, nope, not going to touch the ground. And I would always be like, why?
Yeah.
It's Virga. It's Virga.
Also do with the dryness in the atmosphere.
Yep. All right, thank you so much, Eric. No rain hitting the ground right now. Empty Bowls Luncheon at the Christ Church, which is... Welcome back, and thank you for joining us for another half hour of News Channel 2 Weekend today. I'm Katrina Smith. We're going to get you right over to the Weather Center with meteorologist Eric Gage. A lot going on today, and, you know, we need to know if we need to bring the umbrella.
Yeah, and so far, I mean, the day today, not quite umbrella worthy. Maybe a few spotty showers in the afternoon. Maybe keep it handy, but again, you won't need it all day long, similar to what we saw yesterday afternoon. But
what is this behind you?
this is, we're tracking the hummingbirds. Those of you who are anxiously waiting to put out your hummingbird feeders, well, hummingbirds are right on our doorstep of central New York. As far north as Poughkeepsie has been the latest hummingbird sighting. In fact, zooming in, you can see just how far north they've gotten into central Michigan in the Lower Peninsula. But a reminder, if you are making hummingbird food or nectar, 4 parts water, 1 part sugar. Do not use red dye. It is harmful to hummingbirds. But to the radar and satellite, well, satellite showing clouds decreasing, sunshine moving in, temperatures in the mid-40s. And throughout the day today, we're tracking some sunshine this morning, giving way to mostly cloudy skies and a few spotty light rain showers here and there. We're tracking what to expect for the entire weekend, and when we see some wall-to-wall sunshine in that full forecast straight ahead. Katrina?
Thank you so much, Eric. Road closure information.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning. Welcome back, everyone. This Saturday is starting out actually pretty pleasant after some clouds. Sunshine has moved in. A live look at downtown Utica. It's a great start to the day today, and something else to notice too is with the amount of rainfall we've seen, we are well above average right now regarding rainfall, and that has helped produce luscious green lawns, and at least some of the trees are starting to bloom a bit earlier right now. It's currently 46 degrees with sunshine at Griffiths and Rome. The winds are not too terrible right now, but the winds will pick up throughout this afternoon and this evening. More on that in just a second. But the radar, as you can see here, entirely dry. We've got some upper level moisture right there, which is not quite reaching the ground. And out to the west, that's going to be seeing a few spotty rain showers throughout the day today, but nothing major regarding any form of heavy rainfall. Temperatures climbing into the upper 40s to low 50s today, but one thing to factor in are these winds. It's going to be much more, at least windier by this afternoon. Wind speeds between 15 to 20 miles per hour. You factor in those winds, and those wind chills will start out in the 50s and 40s, cooling down into the 30s by this evening and into the overnight hours. And beyond that, well, it's going to be another breezy and cool day for Sunday, but a little bit more dry. Today, again, sunshine to start, some spotty on and off rain this afternoon and this evening, but those rain showers look to be light in nature. Same thing for Sunday, a little bit more dry, but we've got a few clouds and some light sprinkles here and there. With the dry weather moving in and some clear skies overnights, we've got a few days, at least 3 days, 3 nights, where we're going to be seeing potential for frost and freezing conditions take place all across central New York. For tonight, for tomorrow night, which is our best bet of falling below 32 degrees, and then finally as we head into Monday night. But our skycast right now is showing decreasing clouds, a window of sunshine till around noontime. That's when some clouds and some spotty rain showers move in, and this will produce, again, on and off light rain here and there. A dry start for Sunday with some sunshine, and then increasing clouds here and there, and rain showers light, if any. But in the next 12 hours, sunshine giving way to clouds and a few spotty rain showers here and there. Tonight, we cool down into the 30s with mostly clear skies. And your 7-day forecast. Earth Day is trending sunny, but a little bit more cool with highs in the upper 40s. Warmer, though, on Tuesday, high 62 before more rain showers arrive on Wednesday. But the one thing is the next 7 or so days are still going to be very windy. We're in this breezy and windy weather pattern. In our trivia question, what year was the first Earth Day celebrated? 1930, 1950, 1970, or 1990?
I feel like it's 1970 because I remember Earth Day in elementary school.
And you were right, 2 for 2 this
How
weekend.
about
So I come back and I try to trick you, or at least I feel like I haven't tried to trick you this weekend. I need to
You've
throw
gone
some more
pretty easy
curveballs.
on me, so yeah, thank you. Don't try. You're not here. Are you here tomorrow?
I will not be here tomorrow.
Okay, so no tricking me tomorrow. Thank you, Eric. We'll be back after this.
First check of your forecast tonight at 6 with Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis, and it's going to start getting a little more breezier.
Yeah, the winds really picked up this afternoon,
Yeah.
Ben. We're looking at wind gusts locally between about 25 to as high as 40 miles an hour. That was the latest wind gust the last hour of Griffiths and Rome. It's now down to 26, but still, it will be a windy evening. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This weather system, another cold front, is going to set the stage for a chilly night here across central New York. Again, a live look at the radar. The steadiest rain now to the east. Clouds, for the moment, will start to clear out. Look at the temperature, though. It's 44. We're tracking widespread frost today as skies clear out, winds diminish. Most areas will fall below freezing. Sunshine, breezy again tomorrow, but it does look to be a nice day and it should stay dry. Rain looks to return Tuesday night. This evening, again, decreasing clouds. It remains breezy. Temperatures in the 40s. Again, some chilly weather tonight. We've got to look at that and a look at the beginning, how the weather shapes up for the first part of next week, and that's coming up. Ben, back to you.
Bill, thank you very much. Last month, the Ilion Board of Trustees.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. Another cold front rolled through the region this afternoon. It produced rain and the wind. That has really picked up. Let's take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Scattered showers linger in the wake of this front. There's few and far between. And in general, the weather does look dry as we head into this evening. The winds will continue here for tonight. They diminish, but then they're back again as we head into tomorrow afternoon. Live look at downtown Utica. The sun is back out. We should see at least a little bit of sunshine and clearing skies tonight. Now, there's a comet tonight that might be visible, but you need a good pair of binoculars to be able to see this. We don't think it'll be visible to the naked eye. It's called the Mother of Dragons comet. Yeah, that's kind of a fun name. And this is going to make its closest approach to the sun tonight. And with skies being clear, you're going to want to look to the west after sunset. And again, it's very difficult to know how bright this is going to be. So again, we recommend using binoculars. And again, good luck. It might be hard to spot, but we have a chance to do that tonight with clear skies. Tonight's low temperatures, we're expecting a widespread freeze, a low of 32 in Utica, Remsen 29, 25 is the overnight low expected in Old Forge, Herkimer 31, Richfield Springs 29, Oneonta 32, Cooperstown down to 30 tonight. The winds are back tomorrow. They won't be quite as strong as today, but still a breezy afternoon is expected. We could see wind gusts up to 30 miles an hour heading into the day, with winds primarily coming in from the west. With that in mind, if you don't mind the wind, it actually should be a decent day to do some yard work tomorrow. Monday and Tuesday, the winds are less. We should see some sunshine. And Monday, a chilly day, but Tuesday will start to warm up with highs returning to the low 60s. It is a chilly April evening here in central New York. Temperatures in the 40s from our Skywatchers. Clinton 45, Eaton with 44 degrees, Jeff and Mohawk 49, and across the Southern Valley, Skinevus 43, and Mark and Milford checking in with 44. So you have this cold front that came through. There are a few sprinkles and even a few snow showers to the west, but you can see those have fallen apart here over the past couple of hours. A drying trend will be taking place as we head into Sunday. Tonight, clear skies, overnight lows drop down into the low 30s. Looking at sunshine tomorrow, followed by a few clouds in the afternoon, temperatures in the low 40s. Skies look mostly clear heading into Sunday night, and Monday we should see a decent amount of sunshine with the weather warming up as we head into Tuesday. Frost tonight, low of 31. Sunshine tomorrow, breezy, temperatures in the upper 40s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Sunshine on Monday, 48. We're down to 28 on Monday night. Tuesday, partly sunny, warmer, 62. A round of rain on Wednesday, breezy, followed by chilly weather. Highs in the 40s on Thursday. We're back into the 50s Friday and Saturday. We'll be right back.
11 with Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening, Ben. Good evening, everyone. We're tracking widespread frost as we head into tomorrow morning. In fact, it could be thick enough where you're going to want to budget some time to scrape it off the car windshield. For most of us, it'll be light, so it won't take too long. But for those of you living north of the Mohawk Valley, it might be a little thick on the car windshield if you're heading out first thing in the morning. We're tracking, again, that frost that leads our weather headlines. Sunshine, breezy tomorrow, not as windy as it was earlier today, but we still have that breeze to contend with, especially in the afternoon, and it will be very noticeable. Rain returns Tuesday night. That's our next chance of widespread steady rain as we head into next week. Tonight, frost. Low temperature of 31. Outlying spots easily fall into the 20s. We're tracking again a chilly start to Sunday. We've got to look at the 7-day forecast coming out. Ben, back to you.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Chilly tonight. Many areas fall below freezing. A widespread frost is expected first thing Sunday morning. Let's take a look at the expected overnight low temperatures across our area. Boonville, Old Forge down to 25 degrees, so a hard frost, a hard freeze in those areas. Utica 32, Middleville 29, Little Falls 31. Widespread frost expected across the Mohawk Valley and North Country. Even the southern valleys are expecting to see widespread frost. Hamilton 33, Morris 32, Richfield Springs 29, and Herkimer with 31. Just a reminder that we don't escape frost here in central New York until usually the end of May. That's when the weather gets warm enough where we stay consistently above freezing even at night. So we're still a few weeks out from that. For those of you that are interested in planting the garden, you got to be careful what you plant this time of the year. The winds pick up tomorrow again. It looks windy, especially in the afternoon. Sustained winds around 15 to 20 miles an hour, gusts up to 30 miles an hour. A little bit less than what we were dealing with today. The peak wind in Rome was 40 miles an hour, but still, a windy afternoon is expected. It does look dry, so with the wind in mind, the weather shouldn't be too bad for yard work. Again, we are dry tomorrow. Monday, the winds are less, and it's dry and it's cool. Tuesday looks like another nice day to do some yard work. The weather turns by Wednesday. That'll be our next chance of widespread rain. A cold front rolled through the area earlier today that brought rain in the afternoon, and it also caused the wind. In the wake of this cold front, winds turn into the west. We do have some lake effect cloud cover to the west. We'll be seeing some of that for Sunday, but with the air so dry and we're kind of out of lake effect season, we expect to see at least partly sunny skies for most of Sunday. Tonight, clear skies, cold, overnight lows in the 30s. We start out Sunday morning with mostly sunny skies. Again, a few clouds start to develop in the afternoon. Temperatures climb only into the 40s. So yeah, it's going to be a cool mid-April day across the region. But again, we are looking at generally quiet weather. The weather remains dry tomorrow night. Heading into Monday, Earth Day. Plenty of sunshine, less wind, and it does look warmer Monday afternoon. We're expecting temperatures to climb into the upper 40s. Tonight, frosts, low of 31. Tomorrow, partly sunny skies, breezy. Temperatures in the upper 40s. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. It's not until Tuesday that temperatures get close to average, and it's only for a day. Partly sunny skies, a high of 62. The next weather maker arrives Tuesday night. It brings widespread rain and cooler temperatures. Wednesday's high 49. It's breezy into Thursday, and then the weather starts to warm up again with highs in the 50s by Friday and Saturday.